Okay, so I put this knob on the steering wheel. Bought it at Lowe's. Bought it because it's red and black, matches the tractor. So you may ask, what for? Well, I've always wondered that myself, and so I thought I'd put one on it, see how it works. Well, what this allows me to do, take one hand and swirl it around, and I find I can do it much quicker and easier with one hand than I could fighting it with two hands. I'm going to give you a demonstration right quick of how tight this thing turns and how quick you can turn it with a Brody knife. So hang on just a second. Okay, as you can see, I'm in here. It's rolling. So, you can see how tight this tractor turns and the advantage of a Brody knob. Now, I will say this. You see this spot on my finger right there? It's from the way I grip it with my finger up under it like that. You'll get a blister if you do that. So, make careful how you grab it. Make sure you grab it with fingers like this. Don't curl the finger up under it, or you'll end up with blisters on it. We'll talk to you later. Bye.